Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to choose manual payment method in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to choose manual payment method in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to choose manual payment method in Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to choose manual payment method in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Choosing manual payment method in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on setting in bottom left corner. Now click on payments. Scroll down. Here you are seeing manual payment methods. Click on add manual payment method. Enter detail of your payment method and then click on activate. Here you go. If you wanted to know how to choose manual payment method in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.